Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Make sure the device has power and no physical airplane switch is stuck. This prevents false failures. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Network or Connections where the flight mode option lives. You tap the airplane mode toggle to off or press the hardware key if present. This re-enables radios. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth icons reappear. If toggles are grayed out, continue to the next steps, because the system may need deeper changes. Now you handle the more complex middle steps that often block toggles. On Windows, use Action Center to toggle airplane mode, then open Device Manager and enable disabled network adapters. Update drivers if necessary. On Android or iOS, disable any profiles or do not disturb modes, restart the device, and check carrier settings. On Mac OS, open Network Preferences, remove and re-add the Wi-Fi interface, and create a new network location. These actions restore. Finish by verifying radios actually work. Open a browser, load a page, or ping a server. You need confirmation beyond the toggle. If connections fail, reset network settings. This clears saved SSIDs and cellular configs, and install any OS or driver updates, because stale software often causes lockups. If the problem persists, reboot into safe mode to isolate apps, or try a factory network reset as a last resort. Key troubleshooting tip. If hardware switch or carrier lock is suspected, contact your carrier or a repair technician.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.